Hi everyone, my name is Tshegofatso Moshokwa. I am from South Africa here at Texila University, and today we're going through dissections. We've been going through dissections I think for 6 months now, and what I can say is that you actually gain more knowledge than learning just from slides in class how the human body looks, and it actually remembers and it sticks in your head how the human body actually looks and where certain organs are located. Right now we're doing the head and neck, so obviously we're a bit nervous, but then we'll pull through like we always did with the other parts of the body. Madam Vivianne as well as Mr. Zimba and the two lecturers such as Mr. Ngandwe and Mr. Milimo, they are very helping in our dissection room. When we need help, we can just ask them where are certain things located, how can we cut this if we're not sure, and they are always there to give us questions to test if we know our knowledge, and if not, we then know to say that we should go back and revise since we are not able to answer certain questions. But otherwise, I honestly think this dissection kit has pushed me or gave me better knowledge in my GAE, which is gross anatomy, and yes, so it's something I'd suggest everyone to actually do.